So white.
Flowers. Yellow tulip. Hello guys. Papunta nga tayo doon sa flower shop.
2 घंटा बाद कब?
Viewing tayo kung anong maganda sa bouquet. Ito sa kasal pwede magamit. Pag nangligaw ka,
अभी कितना
birthday,
टाइम हुआ है?
pwede.
4:30.
Yan. Malapit lang. Maya nandun na tayo sa
चलो ठीक है, ओके.
shop na yun. Hindi lang natin na ano yung pangalan ng shop kasi baka maano tayo. Coffee. Alam na.
ठीक है, ओके.
Yan ang coffee shop doon sa tabi ng kalsada. Pwede pala yun. Ano yan siya? Picnic
सुनो,
na yan siya.
क्या कह रहे हो उस्ताद?
Okay, dito na tayo. Papasok. Ito. Ayan, bouquet. Ready-made na siya. Ayan, fresh flower. May 150. Different flowers. Meron din 170. Ayan yung nasa wall, mga fresh flower yan. May tulip. Rosas. Ayan, different kind of rosas yan. May color white, pink, yellow. Meron din tulips na pink, white, red. And the rest yung decoration. Pwede yung mga ano na pagpilian. Selection. Flower pot. Meron din silang ano. Curious lang ako. May ibon dyan sa baba. So, depende sa stand. Ayan yung nasa wall, mga fresh flower ko yung naka-display. Ayun. Kita ko yung kids. Yun. Kulay pink. Lovebird. May lovebird sila dyan. Sa lapit sa pinto. Nice. Vivid shop. Malit lang siya pero highly decorized. Dun sa labas. 250. Ito yung mga ano, bees. Stand. Yung mga banner. Yan, pwede mo bilhin yung bees. Yan, lagyan ng flower. Pwede. Yan, may customer. Dito lang tayo sa viewing lang. Ayan. Bees. Yan, gawa sila ng ano. Okay. Then ayan. Then so dito yung accessories. Ayun yung happy birthday. May Arabic dyan, may English. Meron din christening. Whatever. So kompleto sila ng service. Pwede sila mag-set up ng bouquet, personal bouquet, and then mag-set up sila ng wedding reception. Pwede. Ito creative by Mr. Medyo ayan o, Christine. I love BB. Cute. BB boy. And then silang dog figurine. And then you know, may quack din, may bird. Depende po sa motif niya. Yan, different flowers. Bouquet, ganyan din ako gagawa. Buffet o bouquet? Kain kasi iniisip ko about foods. Dito naman, bulaklak, flowers. Yung mga basic welcome wedding anniversary. Mansari. Pag masira, pwede. Ayan ang lovebird. Ano siya? Yellow and white. I love bird. Hello. Ang ingay yung kanina. They talking each other. But when I captured in video, oh, behave. Okay, that's all guys. yellow tulip. All kind of flowers so expensive available in this shop. So not like before na you get to backyard pick up original roses. I have those white roses. Nice decoration inside the shop. Thank you guys. Big love shout out to all my members. Mami Tess, Agaw, supporters, beloved friends, family. Sample. Okay with chocolate.
Yeah, habibi.
Bye.
Marhaba
Support for the host. See you sa the next video.
Marhaba.
Antok ba? Ne? And good luck for the last chapter. See? I'm back here because I heard their voice. But lovebird. We're leaving na the flower shop and go home. Bye bye.
At 29 and I find myself wondering what did happen to the last 10. I ran away with my life, fast forward, never turn back again. It's kind of funny that the more we pass time, the more we need to set the rewind. And 19 was the year I had to leave you, but now I'm seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe I always should have stayed. Yeah. Is this really happening? I can't
Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.